Namaste. Step into the world of Yoga Nidra, designed for non-sleep deep rest. This journey is crafted to bring you profound relaxation and clarity, distancing you from stress, insomnia, anxiety, depression, and easing chronic pain. For an even deeper experience, headphones are recommended. Prepare your sanctuary. Lay down comfortably, inviting a cushion or folded blanket beneath your head, and perhaps a bolster or rolled blanket under your knees. Legs relaxed and spaced apart, toes naturally outwards, arms by your side, palms open to the sky. Preparing yourself to receive everything that Yoga Nidra can offer. Inhale and exhale through your nose, finding your breath's natural pace. Let's go for 2-3 more cycles of your breath. Take your time. With your next inhale, inhale deeply. And then exhale deeply, and so we begin this journey. Turning more and more inwards and noticing your breath. Feel it as it enters, a gentle caress of coolness on the nostrils. Visualize the breath as a stream of light traveling down, filling your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. As you exhale, this light carries away any tension. Deepen this awareness. Imagine your lungs as vast caverns, and your breath as a gentle wind. This wind gathers stresses and releases them into the universe with each exhale. Now intensify your connection. Visualize each breath as energy, revitalizing every cell. As you exhale, this energy radiates outwards, enveloping you in protection. Ground yourself in this present rhythm that you're hearing, that you're listening to, that you're feeling, A gentle caress of coolness on the nostrils as you're inhaling. Observing your natural breath. Hearing your natural breath. Begin to hear more than your breath. Sounds that are right next to you. Maybe very, very soft. Maybe a little bit louder. Everything is fine. Everything is welcome. Just see and observe what is there right next to me, making sound. Knowing that, oh yeah, my breath is there. What else is there? This can be different for everybody listening to this. This is different for you. All these sounds, let them ground you. Completely being in this moment. Let's broaden our ears to the sounds just beyond. Maybe the distant hum of life, soft murmurs, or rhythmic life beats. Become a silent observer. Even if you're wearing headphones, maybe you hear something else through them. Maybe you hear something from the outside. Finally, stretch to the farthest sounds, those on the edge of perception. Let them wash over you. Connecting you to the vast world. Placing you in the universe's grand design. Slowly start to hear your breath again. Feel your breath again. And as our time comes to a close, retain the deep peace you've cultivated. Gently steer your fingers and toes. When it feels right, open your eyes to the world once more. If you feel moved to give back for this experience, your comments, praises, feedback, and requests are treasured. And remember, a heartfelt thank you and a thumbs up to you for dedicating this time to your well-being. Namaste.